Yeah, hi. Good afternoon, everyone. So please let me know. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? So just give me a second. I am also opening the YouTube on my end so that I will discuss a lot of concepts and the most important hiring update for 2025 batch students. We will discuss. Guys, please let me know in the chat box. Okay, we will wait for 1 or 2 minutes so the others also will join and they will also won't miss the huge update for 2025 batch students about Cognizant hiring. So just now notification went to all the students. Within the next 1 minute, I will talk about all the hiring update about Cognizant and who are eligible and everything. Yeah, Radhika, sure. Whenever core companies also will hire, definitely we will update in our Instagram handle. Okay, guys. So we waited for sufficient time. People joined. So, guys, there is a huge update for the Cognizant for the batch of 2025 pass out engineers. So those who are from the engineering background, whether it is a UG or PG, you can apply for this off campus drive which is happening in the November and December month. Guys, please apply for this drive immediately. Why? Because Cognizant is hiring very aggressively in off campus and on campus as well. So at this time, if you are able to apply for these jobs of the Cognizant, the process will be very quick. So never miss this opportunity. Maybe this is the last chance for all the 2025 batch students to get into the Cognizant as a fresher. Okay, if you miss this chance, you may not get a offer from Cognizant as a freshers hiring. So please apply immediately after my explanation. So without any further delay, let's first dive into the hiring update from the Cognizant. I will show you here on the screen. You can able to see Cognizant fresher hiring for 2025 engineering graduates, and they are only offering for GenC role. Here you need to get a clarity that it is not GenC, GenC Next, GenC Pro. It's only one role, that is GenC. What the Cognizant will do for this 2025 batch, as per my expectation, actually on campus is happening for three roles, but off campus they're conducting for only GenC candidates. So maybe for the higher roles, once you got selected for GenC role, maybe they internally conduct an exam to you guys to improve your package. So this hiring, whatever you are seeing now off campus, it's only for GenC role. Okay, and the locations they have given: Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Pune, Coimbatore, Cochin, Bhubaneswar, and Indore. So across India, they have a lot of vacancies across the India and locations they have given. And the last day to apply is 23rd November 2025, midnight 12, which means you have left with 3 days only. So please apply as soon as possible after seeing this video. In this video, I will tell you each and every step from the start to beginning to the ending. What kind of information you need to provide to the Cognizant so that your resume will get shortlisted also. I will discuss in this video. Okay. So as per they said, application deadline is 23rd November. So after the completion of the video, please prepare your resume in the while you are registering. Okay. And the job functionality is nothing but information technology. So it's a IT related role. And the CTC is 4 lakhs per annum. And there is no breakdown, there is no additional salaries or no breakups. Simply they are saying 4 LPA per annum, which is nothing but 4 lakhs per annum. When coming to the job description and eligibility criteria, I will show you step by step and I explain you everything. Okay, you don't have to worry. The GenC job description is nothing but you need to have a good skill set. Okay, so business requirements, rise of the clarification, create the documents you need to know, and also you need to know the flow of the SDLC software development life cycle, and who are willing to continuously upskill or reskill across the skill to scale up new technologies. Here they're mostly focusing on not your tech stack. They want people who have good knowledge in SDLC and system low level design with the components. And these are like your core subject knowledge, like CS subject knowledge. Okay. They haven't mentioned like you need to know about C, C++, Java, nothing like that. Job description, they want these type of skill sets who are able to have a good excellent communication skills, and also those who collaboratively work in a team. So it's a 4 lakhs per annum, right? So I will tell you one thing, guys. Whether whatever the role it might, in the Gen Z, they haven't mentioned any upskilling courses you required or any skill set you required. But they haven't mentioned in the job description, but in the written test, they are included all the things. I will show you over there. Okay. So it is all about like here behavioral skills, communication skills related data is given with computer science background. And the eligibility criteria they have given is simply just look at here. I am zooming in for you. 2025 batch of specific BE, BTech, ME, MTech are eligible to apply. And if you see the streams such as leather technology and food technology and fashion technology are excluded. So which means the people who are from these type of other than engineering background, they can skip this. Okay, they can't able to apply for this role. And students should possess consistent academic record with 60% in 10th, 12th, either if you went through your engineering through diploma or 12th, whatever it may be. So diploma or UG or PG rounded off to 60%. If you have, for example, rounded percentage with 59.9% also not allowed. So exactly you need to have a 60% or above 60% only eligible. If you have 59.9% also, they won't allow you. So just take care of that. Yeah, we will provide you the apply link after the live completion in the description of the video. Okay. And at the time of joining, all recruits need to have a minimum 60% aggregate in the pursuing degree with no standing arrears. Guys, just look at here. For example, while you are applying to this drive, you have 60%. For example, one backlog or any type of percentage got decreased while joining the company, you are again not eligible. So please don't do those type of spam things. If you have exactly 60 or above, then only apply for this, or else you will get other chances also with other companies. You can apply for that. Okay. And appropriate CGPA to percentage conversion need to be considered as per the university norms. And student with standing arrears is not eligible. For example, if you are having any backlogs now, you can't apply for this. And flexible to work, and the main thing is Indian nationality is required. That's it. So these are the things they are asking for the eligibility criteria. So please check about all the things. And I am looking into the comment section. Those who are having a doubts, you can throw the doubts here, guys. I am looking into your doubts. Is this communication round is elimination round? Yes. Communication round is elimination round, aptitude round is elimination round, technical round also elimination round. Every round is a elimination round, guys. You don't have to worry about it. Next, what is the mandated documents you guys need to carry while registering? So, once you get the hiring link, you will click on apply button, right? When you click on the apply button, if you already have a Superset account, your account will be logged in and you can directly apply for this drive. If you don't have a Superset account, click on apply link and register yourself in the Superset, then apply for this drive. Okay. And next, if you see the mandatory things while registering, or once you click on the apply now, it will ask you to upload or attach resume with a latest passport size photograph. This is very important. You need to upload the resume with attached passport size photo on it. It is mandatory, guys. If you didn't uploaded the latest photograph, maybe in the resume screening round also you will get rejected. So please take care of that. And if you have a industry aggregated certificates, if available, you can upload it mandatorily. Okay. So whoever the certificates are accredited by industry, you can apply for that. And mandatory documents in the interview, for the interview. Guys, I will tell you about what is the registration process, how this resume screening will happen, and one by one I will talk about it. Okay. So the things you need to do is, while going to the interview, please carry your all academic documents and your ID proofs. PAN card, either voter ID or passport or Aadhaar. PAN card is mandatory, guys. Along with that, secondary one is anything you can. Okay, just simply look at here, guys. All shortlisted candidates will be notified on the hiring category for the interview. Final decision on the candidate screening, eligibility assessments, interview, and final selection will be sole discretion of the Cognizant, which is nothing but whatever the selection, final decision, and everything will taken care by Cognizant. We can't question their hiring process. This is what the terms and conditions they have given. And in the last, you can see in the same link what is the name conversion and a 2025 off-campus hiring students brochure and everything you can see, right? So just I have opened that. First, we will see Cognizant Freshers Hiring graduates hiring process, which is nothing but what is the hiring process and timelines. So first thing you can see here, I am zooming in for you. First, you need to register. Okay. Once you register, while you are registering, you will upload your resume along with your photo attached and the certifications by the recognized industries. You will upload here, right? They will screen them. And after screening, if your resume got shortlisted, if you clear this screening test of the resume, then you can go to the communication and aptitude assessment. Guys, just carefully look at here. Communication and aptitude together will happen for off campus. Okay. So these two rounds will happen together as a round one, which is an online test, which means you need to take care of your equipment like laptop or desktop, webcam attached. So everything you need to take care. So it's a online means you have to write from your either home or wherever you feel like it's good to take the test. You can take from the particular place. Okay, it's an online assessment. And if you are cleared communication and aptitude assessment, which is the elimination rounds, if you are able to clear this, then you are going to the technical assessment round, which is the round 2, which is also happen online. Okay. And if you clear the communication aptitude and technical assessment all together, then you are forward towards the technical interview for GenC, which is a round 3. It is a in-person round, which means you need to visit to the corresponding Cognizant office. They will tell you the location nearby you and they will take care of everything. Okay. In communication, there is a section wise timer. Yes, Shaykh Abdullah, question wise timer will be there. Don't worry. And if you don't know about communication round, we already did YouTube video on Cognizant assessment. I would like to show you that also. So Cognizant communication test, we already did 1 day ago about the complete test. You can watch it. And for the syllabus, you can watch the Cognizant syllabus and exam pattern of 2 days back streaming. Okay. So this is about technical interview of GenC. Once you completed round 1, round 2, round 3 based on the merit, you will get a letter of intent. And the important things they have again repeating here is in this PDF they have given eligibility for 2025 graduates, that is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and 60% is mandatory and no backlogs. And the instructions again they repeated. I don't wanna repeat it again. But while onboarding, the mandatory documents are here. So please go through this PDF and you will get a clarity about it. So important note for the registration is skill cluster 1 is a default cluster for the technical assessment. The candidate will be evaluated on Java, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript skills. Candidate can choose skill cluster 2 or skill cluster 3 are not applicable as their additional skill cluster. Based on the performance of the additional skill cluster, few candidates will be considered for skill 2 and skill 3 assessment, which will be noticed. Guys, unless like on campus, for on campus, the pattern is slightly different, which is nothing but you can choose cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3, anything. But when coming to the off campus, and that too for 2025 batch students, they did cluster 1 as a default cluster, which means they are looking for the people who are having good knowledge in Java, SQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is a default cluster, so you need to clear it. And based on the performance of the additional skill cluster, so additional means you have to choose either cluster 2 or cluster 3 are not applicable as their additional skill cluster. You can choose or you cannot choose, doesn't matter. But cluster 1 is default cluster for this technical assessment. Okay. See, based on the preference of additional skill cluster, few candidates will consider for the skill cluster 2 and skill cluster 3 assessment, which will be notified. Which means you have to write cluster 1. If there any chance based on the preferences, for example, if the company need the people who are from the Python background or the people who are from the C# background, if they want, then only they will be notify you, or else you need to write the default cluster only. You don't have any other chance. So please take care of this important note here, guys. Okay. So again and again, I'm telling you, based on this, start your preparation. Everyone think like cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3 is optional. I can choose anything. It is for on campus, but off campus they did cluster 1 as default. You can choose 2 or 3, but based on preference they can give. Means it is completely luck whether you will get or you won't get. So I can't assure that. Okay. So 80% of the questions will be on Java and SQL only. Guys, I will tell you. See, all the questions will be depends on the major tech stack. Okay. Kindly note that final decision of mapping skill cluster for the technical assessment at the sole discretion of Cognizant. I told you, right? You can't question them. If you are selected, you should be flexible to learn any skill area during the training based on the business demand. So this is the one of the important skill cluster you need to take care. In on campus, again I'm telling you this. Remember, on campus any skill set is fine, but off campus 2025 Everyone need to have the skill set in this. Okay, this is the important instructions you need to take care. And the next one is they have given another instruction set here, which will be depends on job title. The job title is programmer analyst trainee or programmer analyst. So after you clear this assessment by the Cognizant, you will get a job title or job role as a program analyst. And the description, everything we already seen, and eligibility criteria also we have seen, hiring process and all. Just I want to show you what is the role you will get. That's it. And last but not least, a lot of people are having a doubt in full name, last name, middle name in the while applying for the Cognizant. So that's why they have given clear cut idea about this. Okay. For example, you have a 3 words name like this. The first one is first name, the last one is last name, the middle one is middle name. For example, you want to get, for example, my name is Karella TK Mohan. This is how in my, for example, Aadhaar, my name is appearing like this, or in PAN card, whatever it might be, whatever the identity proof, you have the name like this. Karella need to be go in first name, and TK must be go in the middle name, and Mohan must be go in the last name, so that it will print in the application in the same direction and step by step as in the Aadhaar. For example, I have entered Mohan in the first name and TK letter or Karela in the first name. Then what will happen is nothing but the order of the name will be changed and it won't be same as PAN or Aadhaar. So it may be issue for in the future while document verification. So that's why they have given clear cut idea about how to give the data. Okay, so please take care of that. For example, in your Aadhaar or PAN card, I told you, right? For example, Karella TK Mohan. It is the name in my PAN card, for example. And in the Superset portal or while registering the Cognizant, I have given like this. For example, KTK Mohan. You are got rejected because of name mismatch. You can't give like that. So please take care of that. Just to verify this PDF also once. How the naming convention matters need to be there. And if they will give you the remarks also, you can read it through that. So now tell me guys, how many of you got about the registration process, and do you guys got the clarity about eligibility criteria and all or not? Tell me in the chat. Based on that, I will give you further information within the next 10-15 minutes. Yeah, Rohit, please let us know uh, when is your exam tomorrow time and whether it is on campus or off campus. Rohit, please let us know. Based on that, we will make a video for you. I hope you guys understood everything, right? Yeah, we will provide the apply link, guys. We already shared about the hiring update in our Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram channels. Those who have missed it, you can find it in this YouTube video as well. And also, guys, if you want to prepare for this off campus, here I would like to show our product, that is Prepinsta Prime. You can learn everything in a single subscription for your all placement needs. For example, if you are preparing for Cognizant, you need resume building first. So, in if you take the Prepinsta Prime subscription, you can able to know or you will get a resume course as well. So you will know how to build your resume so that you will be clear the first round. Next round is communication and aptitude. So when you coming to the aptitude section, you can see all essay writing, which is a part of communication. Game based aptitude is a part of aptitude, and quantitative, logical, verbal ability. If you know these knowledge, you can able to clear communication and communication and aptitude assessment. And if you clear this, you will go to the technical assessment, which is consisting of coding, either Java, Python, or C sharp, whatever it may be. Java, Python is the major things we will always pick as a clusters. So you can learn C, C++, Java, Python. So Java, Python is a part of here. And also, if you want to learn advanced data structures from the beginning, or basic to advanced and also you are getting questions based on SQL, right? So if you scroll a bit down, we have a CS subjects also here. If you are from background of computer science and technology or not, or if you're from some core branches like CEC, mechanical, civil, triple E, also you can prepare these computer science subjects with respect to placements. DBMS, computer networking, SQL also they are giving 85% questions, right? They said in the brochure itself. And also you can see SDLC. I shown you in the job description. So you have to have a good knowledge on them. You can prepare from here. So everything you can prepare from our Prepinsta Prime with a single subscription. That is, I will show you the prices also, so that you will get an idea. For example, if you take 12 months and if you use the coupon code KTK Max, it's a my coupon. So you can use it, guys, to get the maximum discount. So 600 discount and you will get for 3399. And if you want 24 months, and you will get 750 rupees off, and you will get for 4250 rupees only for 2 years. So not even 300 rupees per month, it is less than that. 280 rupees approximately it will cost you. It's not like a pizza cost or biryani cost for you per month. So invest on your growing and skill increasing rather than on food. So not I am saying regularly, sometimes whatever you will waste on the food, you can invest here. Okay. So again, I am telling you the same hiring pattern we have given here. Registration, resume screen, resume screening, communication assessment, and aptitude assessment, and technical assessment. Instead of 3 roles, they are giving only 1 role. So here is the communication round. It is categorized into. So quickly I will go through them. Why? Because off-campus pattern is same as on-campus pattern. The only change they did is for the off-campus, the cluster is not optional. It is Cognizant dependent. Okay. Reading, listening, speaking, grammar, and comprehension. And if you guys don't know about in detail syllabus about Cognizant communication assessment, go to the yesterday's live. I have clearly explained end to end all pattern questions so that you will easily get the information about it. And next, in the aptitude assessment, we have 2 rounds, that is quantitative aptitude for 30 minutes and analytical game based aptitude for 50 minutes. Okay. And these are the quantitative aptitude topics you need to take care. Guys, don't worry. We came to the live to give you the update on hiring process. Again, we will make another video for off campus, how to prepare and how to clear the Cognizant from first round to interview. We will create a separate video for that. Why? Because in a single video we can't cover everything, right? So the main motto of this video is to give you the update about the registration process. In next video, what I will do is I will make you guys comfortable with the how to clear from the round 1 to interview. I will make you guys comfortable with that. So first, start yourself registering for the process and grab the opportunity and start your preparation. Once the registration is completed, within the 1 week exam will happen. So you have 10 days to 15 days of time for your preparation. So start your preparation, okay? So these are the topics you need to prepare for quantity aptitude. And these are the game based aptitude they are asking, like grid challenge, motion challenge, switch challenge, digit challenge, and inductive logical reasoning and deductive logical thinking. About these patterns, I will do a in detail video. Don't worry. How we will do the sessions also I will tell in the beginning itself. What we will do is, next I will do how to clear round 1 to round 3 at a time. Round 3 in a single video. Next what I will do is, I will do a in detail video on game based aptitude. One video on quantity aptitude. One video on cluster 1. One video on cluster 2. So with that, Cognizant each and every round and subsections will be completed. So in one video or in a single shot, I can't explain everything, right? And you will also feel like bored. So that's why we will divide this entire preparation plan into 4 to 5 parts, and we will make a 4 to 5 videos for you, so that it will help you guys to clear the interview. To clear the Cognizant assessment. I hope you understood, right? Next, round 3 is again technical assessment, cluster, Java, Python, C Sharp. Java cluster is default. If they want to give the option Python or C Sharp, you can choose. If Cognizant want, they will give you. If they don't want, they won't give you. Default Java will come. It's not optional. So this is how the question will appear in the cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3. 2 questions will come from SQL, 2 questions will come from Java, and 1 question will come from HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That's why the Cognizant said 85% questions will come from SQL and coding. So Java, SQL have for example, 5 questions are there, right? 4 questions are from SQL and Java, means 80%. 1 question is from HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So like this, the cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3 will happen. For example, if you have chosen cluster 2 Python, you have to focus on cloud fundamentals as well. So if you choose Java, SQL, Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript is required. If you choose Python, SQL plus cloud fundamentals are required. So that's it, guys. In this today video, we came actually to give you the update about the hiring process, not to explain about remaining things. So first, guys, apply for this drive, register yourself. First, create your resume and attach your latest photograph with that, and upload it and register now, and start your preparation then. Okay. So as soon as possible, please apply for the drive. They said they have 3 days of time, right? For example, here in the application, you can see 3 days of time. If the more applications are came, or it is, for example, they got lakhs of applications, they might close immediately also. There is a chance. So I am suggesting you don't wait for the last day. Why? Because if the traffic got increased, the website might be become the unresponsive or not available for you. So I suggest you guys always, please apply today or tomorrow max. Don't take the application registration till 22nd, 23rd. Better 20 or 21 is the best time to apply for this, so that you can easily apply for that without any internet struggle. Server struggle. Okay. And use the coupon code KTK Max and start your preparation with our Prepinsta. So in this, actually, we came for to give you the update about hiring process. So we completed it. Those who want know about, give me a second. Yeah. Complete syllabus and exam pattern. You can go through this, or else wait for 1 or 2 days. Again, we will come to the live and we will do R&D on off-campus syllabus change. Actually, this is a on-campus, guys. Okay, whatever Cognizant 2026 hiring explained is 2026 on campus. And we will do a research whether the pattern is changing for 2025 or it is same. Again, we will come to the live and we will explain you if there is no change or if any change happened. So why? Because yearly the companies are changing its patterns. So at least after the registration, 1 or 2 days we will spend on R&D to get the clarity about the syllabus. Why? Because we don't want to give a wrong pattern to our followers. So that's why we will do R&D for 1 or 2 days, and again we will come back to you to give you the syllabus and exam pattern details. And after that, we will plan a series of Cognizant every section wise video, so that you will get a ample amount of knowledge about them. And if you don't know about the knowledge, please come to our Prepinsta Prime and start your preparation, guys. And even in our prepinsta.com also you can see here, go to prepare section and go to all platforms and go to Cognizant GenC here, and you can see all the patterns also, which is nothing but communication assessment, aptitude and technical assessment, all the things we already updating. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything, just you can follow us and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and take the Preparation Prime subscription. You are ready to prepare for any placement. Okay, thank you so much. That's the end of the update about Cognizant assessment from our end. So the link is available in our all social media handles like Instagram and WhatsApp, Telegram, and also in the YouTube as well. In the description, you can see. We will paste it immediately. Okay. So that's it, guys. That is from our end. See you guys with the other Cognizant preparation series in the upcoming days. Happy preparation for all your off campus 2025 batch students. See you guys in the next video. Yeah, newly added, please check the description of the live completion. You will get the link. And also, if you have any doubts, reach out to us support number 844 844 0710. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. See you. Bye bye.